On September 8, 2017, AOPA hosted a fly-in to Norman, Oklahoma. My brother Andrew and I decided to fly up and join a friend for a weekend of camping and airplanes. The weather was great and it turned out to be a whole lot of fun. This is something I would totally do again. The trip is from our home airport, Minden, to the Norman Westheimer Airport is in this video. The flight home will be in the next one. I hope you enjoy it.
Want to talk?
Yeah, we're going back taxi for runway 1, right?
Yep.
Into traffic, Skyhawk 9725, Quebec, back taxi.
You'll see it light up T and this will blink.
Minden traffic, Skyhawk 9725, Quebec, back taxi for runway 1, Minden traffic.
Cool.
And we got nothing coming and nothing coming. So, good.
Yep. Alright, nobody coming, huh? Yep, it'd be on base right there, final coming in.
And then we're going to do departure to the north.
Yep. Northwest.
You need to say northwest or just north?
I would say northwest.
Minden traffic, Skyhawk 9725, Quebec, taking off runway 1, departure to the northwest, Minden traffic.
Cool. Go. Yep. So, use your feet to steer. 63, give us a wheelie. Yep, full power. Keep your hand on there, because 5. Yep, 63. A little more right rudder. There you go, and just rotate it off. Now lower your nose a little and just point it down the runway.
Climb out 80.
Yep.
And take my hand off?
Yep.
Cool. I don't know why it's blowing me around a little bit now.
There's a little bit of wind. Yep, and then just trim it out for 80 and I'll give you a course in just a second. Alright, bearing is going to be 305, so you can just bug that in and fly 305.
Skyhawk 9725, Quebec.
Skyline 9725, Quebec, Shreveport approach, roger, say destination.
Flight following to Norman, Oklahoma, 6,500.
Flight following to Norman, Oklahoma, 6,500.
And identifier is OUN.
OUN.
And if you want, next time you can use Oscar Uniform November, but it's fine. So they're going to give you a squawk, just be ready to dial it in.
Skyhawk 25, Quebec, roger, stand by.
Nope, not yet. Nope. There you go. Wait till they.
Hit the ident button?
No, wait till they say it. You just hit the numbers.
Okay, I was figuring out how to change it.
Yeah.
Skyhawk 25, Quebec, squawk, approach in 5243 and ident.
5243, 725, Quebec.
And I did. There you go. Now you can call yourself 25 Quebec.
Okay.
Cessna 25, Quebec, radar contact 4 miles northwest of Minden Webster Airport, Shreveport altimeter 3010, say altitude leaving.
You're through 2,700 for 6,500.
I don't need to respond back 3012?
No, just read that. You're 2,800 for 6,500.
Cessna 25, Quebec, verify leaving 3,000.
2,800 climbing, 6,500, 25 Quebec.
Roger, thanks.
She just wants to know how high you are. I was looking, I was like, please tell me Oklahoma does not have a home game today or tomorrow. That would suck. And they don't. They're playing Ohio State.
Be a good game.
Yeah, in Ohio.
They're both,
like this airport would be bad if it was both.
But yeah, because they're both like, I think Ohio State's like 2. And
Oh, they moved up after Florida State?
Oklahoma, I'm sorry, Ohio State?
AC Delta Fox, so traffic sounds here 3 o'clock. You are overtaken, so it should be no factor by about 5 miles.
And Oklahoma, I think, is in the top 10 also.
Okay. As you can see the river to our right, that's what we'll be following.
Delta 1115, contact Force Center
On the
132.45.
other side of Ada. That's Ada. You see the airport we're lined up with. There's a river on the other side.
Fort Worth Center, Navajo 27682.
That river follows it right into, see?
Navajo 27682, Fort
It
Worth
actually flows
Center.
right
Good
into
afternoon.
Norman. Okay.
Yeah, do that. We're going to cut up and then go around the left side of the river?
Yep.
Okay.
You're going to stay on the west, the south and the west side.
Okay.
Number 5 Tango Charlie, descend and maintain for level 240.
I didn't even think about it grabbing the chocks. Did you grab chocks? We'll just tie down the orange spikes.
Got them. I'll set the 10 up first thing.
Yeah.
Set one up at dark is not as fun.
It's an airport. How dark is it going to be?
I don't know.
Probably not very dark.
We got like event lighting.
Probably. Or just ramp lighting. It's a pretty big airport. 10 minutes. Start down whenever you're ready.
So you just ease it down.
Yeah, about 5
November 5 Tango Charlie, descend and maintain 16,000. Oak City altimeter 3012. Southwest 1846, contact Memphis Center 132.55. They'll have higher when clear traffic.
So the one thing to watch, see the red line on the RPMs?
Yeah.
You can descend, just keep your throttle without redlining. Okay. And while you're going down, creep back in the mixture every time you think about it.
November 9725 Quebec, contact Oak City approach 120.45.
2045, stuff back.
Okay.
Oklahoma.
Delta 1757, contact Memphis.
This is Oak City approach.
Oklahoma City approach, Skyhawk 9725, Quebec with you at 6,000, descending at 3,500.
Number 9725 Quebec, Oak City approach, proceed via the Purcell arrival, no need to hold, advise any other weather.
You got the weather and proceed via Purcell.
Proceed via Purcell, stuff back.
We got the weather. Got the weather. Cool, so what he was saying with Purcell, that's the airport we're flying to. That's the published NOTAM, so we got 7 minutes and 35 seconds to there. So put that up so people can see it. There it is. So then we cut the corner and we head north. We follow I-35 into Norman. So showing 6:15 arrival and a 6:03. So
Nice. That's going to be the Purcell, correct?
yeah, Purcell is in 7 minutes. So that means 5 more to Norman. Bar chart and see.
Number 5 Echo Alpha, ready.
Alright, so the pattern altitude is 2,200, 3,500 at Purcell. And do. Cool. Airport's right in the bend of that lake. Oh, there's the interstate. See it?
2347, maybe kind of Kansas City Center, 127.8.
Interstate? Yep. Just follow that. You're flying right toward it, it's fine. Just pull up a little bit.
The lengthy. I don't see a field though.
It's a green pavement right there. See the water tower? It's right behind the water tower.
Where's our traffic?
Behind us, right at your left window. He'll look for us too. Keep going. We're faster than them.
Can you tell?
We're doing 118. They're
Cherokee
doing
number 40 with
106.
you.
Oh, cool.
Alright. We can descend to pattern whenever we want. Probably a little
How much
further.
2440, you can approach
Pattern's
124.6.
2,200.
Hey, let me know when to start.
Yeah, I'd go up a little further. Airport is off to your left a little bit.
I actually really want you to like fly directly over the interstate.
Just follow it.
Okay. A little bit bumpy on the way in.
Yeah,
Number
down low a little bit.
9725, Quebec, Connect West Summer Tower, 118.0.
18.0, 25 Quebec.
Cherokee 5.
Alright, so this is the tower. We're 11 to the south.
Name of the tower?
Westheimer.
Westheimer Tower, Skyhawk 9725 Quebec with you.
11 to the south.
11 to the south.
Cessna 9725 Quebec, West Summer Tower, and a right downwind for runway 18, report at midfield.
Right downwind for 18, we'll report to midfield.
Right downwind from 18, we'll report midfield.
Cool. So your airport is right there.
Oklahoma 90, contact ground 1 off
This
runway.
is right of the river.
Ground 1 off, Oklahoma 90.
Not really.
Big grassy area.
Like up to the right past the trees?
Yep, white buildings.
Okay.
Black runway. So we're gonna go past it and hang a right, and we're gonna do a right downwind.
Okay.
The right downwind, we just follow the parallel of the runway on the left side of it, on the west.
I'll go a little bit, I'm gonna start descending a little slowly.
Yeah, that's fine. There's traffic ahead.
Yeah, I see that, there's 21 down.
And they're probably in the pattern at this little airport. The little airport underneath us.
Yeah. 21 down there, and then there's looks like there's one 500 below.
Yeah, we'll keep an eye on.
Looks like they're heading in.
He's further off.
How fast are they?
Doing 57. That guy's way off ahead.
This one?
Yeah, he's not going there. Look, there he is on the iPad. Look, he's right there.
Oh,
we're going
okay.
there.
I can't tell scale much on that.
That's fine.
Stall demo, West Summer Tower. Landing and departure clearance cannot be issued. Operation will be at pilot's own risk. Frequency changes approved.
Tower Cherokee 5648 Whiskey, 5 miles past the field.
Calling West Summer Tower, you're stepped on.
That was 5648 Whiskey.
Number 5648 West Summer Tower. And a right downwind for runway 18, report at midfield.
Once you
Fly Whiskey.
Okay.
Yep.
West Summer Tower, Mooney 201 Charlie Kilos, holding short for 18 departure to the north.
Mooney 201 Charlie Kilo, West Summer Tower, hold short runway 18, arriving aircraft.
Holding short, Mooney 1 Charlie Kilo.
Number 5 Echo Alpha, number 2 follow Challenger, 1 mile final, runway 18, clear land.
Clear land, runway 18 behind the Challenger, looking for me, go 5 Echo Alpha.
5 Echo Alpha, say aircraft tank.
Sorry.
Say again.
That confirmed land 405 Tango Charlie.
Challenger 5 Tango Charlie, runway 18, clear land.
Thanks, sir.
Remember 5 Echo Alpha, say aircraft type.
Eagle 150.
Cessna 25 Quebec, number 3 follow Eagle 150 on a 2 mile left base, runway 18, cleared to land, number 2, report the Eagle in sight.
Roger, looking for the Eagle. We'll follow him in. 25 Quebec, cleared to land. See him? There's the Challenger. He's over there.
48 Whiskey, enter right downwind for runway 18.
Yeah, look for that Challenger. Looking for the Eagle.
Number 48 Whiskey, fly westbound, enter right downwind for runway 18, report at midfield.
Roll call 4 Whiskey.
No ADSB for him.
I'm looking.
Remember 19 Mike, you have traffic at your 12 o'clock is a Cherokee entering the right downwind for runway 18 at 3,400 feet.
19 Mike, high traffic inside, 1 o'clock high.
19 Mike, roger, maintain VFR from that aircraft, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 19 Mike, hold on.
Tower 25 Quebec, still no joy on the Eagle.
25 Quebec, roger, continue on the downwind, I'll call your base.
Wilco.
Eagle 5 Echo Alpha, still looking for that Challenger.
Number 5 Echo Alpha, Challenger's no factories at the departure end of the runway already exiting. Runway 18, cleared to land.
Turn left base, clear land, runway 18, Eagle 5 Echo Alpha.
Oh, he's trying left.
25 Quebec, the Eagle you're following is just off your right side, about your 2 o'clock on the left base.
Looking.
Tango Charlie's ground.
Challenger 5 Tango Charlie, contact ground.
Appreciate your time, good day.
That's too far
You too.
away.
That's him.
Is it?
I guess. I think that's him. Yep. That's him.
Cessna 25 Quebec, you have that Eagle off your right side now?
Yep. We got him. 25 Quebec.
25 Quebec, roger, number 2, follow Eagle, runway 18, clear to land.
Clear to land, following the Eagle. 25 Quebec.
Coming in. Yep, there he is. What's an eagle? I have no idea. Kind of wondering what we were looking for.
Cherokee 48 Whiskey number 3, follow Cessna 3 mile final, runway 18, cleared 2 land.
Clear land, 48 Whiskey number 3.
Eagle's about to land. Yep, we're good. Still thing. Yep.
You want me to take the third turn off on 18 or the second one, right?
Calling tower, say again?
That's the Eagle land on 18. Which turn off would you like me to take?
Say again?
I'd want to know which turn off you'd like me to take.
Is that for 5 Echo Alpha?
Yes, sir.
5 Echo Alpha, you'll be taking the first available.
Roger.
Number 5 Echo Alpha, turn left taxiway Charlie 1, contact ground point 6 on off runway.
Alright, left turn here, point 6, Eagle 5 Echo Alpha.
A lot smaller of a town. Yeah. A college. Yep. Got a Mooney waiting to go, see? I am. They just came down for the day, I guess, huh? Yeah, maybe. Maybe they're based here, huh? Hey. Feel the crosswind and feel it. Or see it. You can see it. I can't. Make it look easy, huh? That's it.
Number 25 Quebec, turn left taxiway Charlie 1, contact ground point 6 on off runway.
Roger that. Charlie 1, ground point 6, 25 Quebec.
Ground. Yep.
West Humber ground, Skyhawk 9725 Quebec, Charlie 1, short of Charlie.
Skyhawk 9752 Quebec, West Humber ground, to make a right turn on taxiway Charlie. Are you camping or general aviation?
Right turn on Charlie and camping.
52 Quebec, roger. It'll be left turn on taxiway Echo, and you can cross 21 at Echo.
Roger, cross 21 at Echo, on left on Echo, 25 Quebec.
Eagle 5 Echo Alpha, cross 21 at Echo.
Affirmative, cross 21 at Echo.
This is Bravo, Echo's coming up. A lot of planes.
And people. Yep.
And West Humber ground, Twin Cessna 4674 November.
Calling West Humber ground, say call sign.
Twin Cessna 4674 November, we're looking for clearance to Tulsa Riverside. We're over here in front of the Phillips 66 where that Challenger just turned in.
Cessna 4674 November, we're going to have to utilize the marshallers to get out to taxiway Alpha and then call me back.
Okay, I can get that Alpha. I'm looking for a clearance though. Do you have that? You want me to pick it up, Dan?
74 November, did you file a clearance?
Affirmative.
Yep.
The instrument's Riverside. Off at 7 o'clock. It may be about 5 early.
Can you say your numbers again?
4674 November.
Roger, we're looking for it now.
Camping was supposed to be at the other end. Oh well, we'll see. Hopefully we don't total crap. Yep. I don't even know. I don't see anybody. Yeah. Okay. Choose your own spot? I don't think so. This isn't camping. Want to hit up ground and see? We're about to come over around there and see. I don't know what they're doing. So how do we...
Ground AOPA.
AOPA ground.
Yeah, we're in receipt of November 90725 Quebec on the north end. Hey, they're displaying a C. Did they indicate camping?
Yes, sir. He said he was going to be camping. I guess the marshal sent him northbound. I tried to tell him on the radios, but I don't know if they heard me or not.
Okay, so 25 Quebec's going to have to make a 180 and proceed south on Alpha. Do you want to send them on Alpha?
I don't have anyone on Alpha. I mean, southbound's fine for me.
Okay, so we'll make a 180. We'll go south on Alpha. I'm making hand signals to them now. Proceed down Alpha, follow the marshalers, show the C. Thanks, ground.
Quebec, are you up on ground?
Yeah, I was wondering why they were sending us. Yeah, I'm just looking around. It's like
881 Tango Charlie's ready for taxi.
like, I put up a Charlie.
881 Tango Charlie, West Summer Ground, hold short of taxiway Alpha.
1 Tango Charlie, hold short. And 4 November's holding short of Alpha, ready to taxi.
I hold short.
74 November, roger, hold short of taxiway Alpha, and I'll have your clearance here in about 2 minutes. Just be advised there's going to be about a 20-minute delay with this stall demo we're about to have.
Okay, well, we'll cancel that IFR and just depart VFR.
Yep. Tower 25 Quebec, just giving you a heads up. I'm on Alpha and I'm listening.
25 Quebec, roger, thank you. Alright, 1 Tango Charlie, runway 18, taxi via Alpha Bravo Charlie, cross runway 21 at Bravo.
Alpha Bravo Charlie, 1 Tango Charlie to 18.
Try this again. You hold it now. Hold it. Holding the show on the C.
74 November, just be advised if it's still going to be about a 20-minute delay.
A 20-minute delay for a VFR departure?
Affirmative, sir. We're going to have a demonstration of aircraft departing from the grass strip of runway 21.
And then the airport closes at 7:30. Weather sure wasn't communicated very well.
Okay, it's an estimated delay. We are well aware of what time the airport closes. We're going to try to accommodate every single person here. Just be patient. We're just giving you a little heads up there.
Okay, we're holding short, 74 November.
Huge.
November, you can taxi to runway 18 via Alpha Bravo Charlie, cross 21 at Bravo.
Alpha Bravo Charlie to 1874 November, thank you.
There's the next Marshall.
Yep. I'm guessing that's the Eagle.
Maybe.
Similar November, expedite your crossing of runway 21 at Bravo.
Okay, we'll pick it up for November.
And 7-4 November, are you still wanting to get your IFR clearance or just depart VFR now?
Well, whatever works out expeditiously. If it's a 20-minute delay for an IFR, we'll go VFR. But whatever gets us out of here with less headache is good for us.
7-4 November, Roger. I'll cancel the IFR request, and you can pick up flight following Oklahoma City on 124.2 and we can get you out.
Okay, we'll do that. 7-4 November.
How's it going? Good, how are you?
You guys got like a 3-minute spot here.
Good timing.
You all need some help pushing it back?
Please.
Yeah, probably so.